Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. Less than a week to go before the deadline to file your federal tax return, and with the pressure on, can be easier to fall prey to scammers or fudge a few details on your form. Tonight, problem solver Susan Hogan reveals what the IRS calls the dirty dozen.
If you're just filing your taxes or still have not, you may be more apt to not pay attention to details or red flags that could lead you to being ripped off. Every year, the IRS releases a list they call the Dirty Dozen, popular scams you should avoid and tricks you shouldn't even think about trying. This year's list includes two things scammers love year-round: identity theft and phishing. Protect your tax information so it can't be stolen to file a fake return and get your refund. Beware of shady tax preparers who might take a chunk of your refund or overcharge for their services, especially at the last minute. And don't ever sign a tax return that is incomplete. Sometimes tax preparers may ask you to simply just sign the form and they'll prepare your taxes later, but don't do it. You need to know exactly what is on your return.
Even though the return preparer is preparing it, once you sign it, you're saying that everything on there is correct, and you are liable.
If you're filing your own return, don't fudge forms to get a fatter refund or lower your taxable income to zero, or exaggerate withholding when reporting non-taxable Social Security benefits and bogus arguments to avoid paying taxes altogether. Well, these are all tricks the IRS has seen before. They're also on the lookout for misuse of charitable deductions and trust, income hidden offshore, and phony corporations that hide illegal activity, as well as abuse of retirement plan arrangements. Also, falsely claiming the fuel tax credit can result in financial penalties or worse, criminal prosecution. If you suspect tax fraud, report it to the IRS. They say your information can be kept confidential. If you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1, hotline 228-1850. Or if you're interested in becoming a Call 12 for Action volunteer with me, you can call that same number you see right there on your screen. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.